I'm attempting to show all my pumpkins. There's one. Gotta find them all. Let's see, there was one over here somewhere. There it is. There's two. There's another one over here. Well, that one might take. I don't know. It's tiny. There's another one over here. There it is. I don't know if you can see that. There. And then I gotta go all the way down my little hill. See the other big one. There's the big one. It's almost done growing. And there's another one right here that's getting pretty big. And one right here. Move the flowers all the way. Then there's one more. I don't know if it's gonna make it. Something ate it. Part of a hole in it. Right over here. So we'll see if that one makes it. And then a little water assisting. And the whole plant. Those are all of them that I think. I might have more, but I just don't know.